Hey guys, this is me, Reese, and today we are going to be teaching you how to make orbees.
Yep.
The first thing you need to do is pour orbees into a container, and you need to add 3 cups of water.
Alright, so let's start with our first cup of water here. Go ahead and pour it in. Alright, so we're going to get some more water and add to this. How long are we going to have to wait?
6 to 10 hours.
6 to 10 hours until these bad boys are ready. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, we're back, and the orbees have finished growing, and it's been 10 hours.
Ooh, those look pretty awesome. How do they feel?
Good. Thanks for watching, everybody.
All right, make sure you click below to like and subscribe to Reese and Daddy Fun Stuff. Thanks, everybody.